Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. It's finally packing day. I'm so excited. I love packing. I love these videos. These are my absolute favorite. So as you can see, I have everything laid out right here, ready to go. I have my suitcase back here, and I'm just hoping I remember everything. Y'all, this pregnancy brain thing is an actual struggle, like for real. So we'll see. I'm hoping for the best, but we'll see. So before I jump into it, I did want to add, I have a whole nother video dedicated to my baby moon packing essentials. So all the items that are specifically geared towards pregnancy, I did a whole separate video really going into detail on those items. So of course you'll see all that stuff here as well, but I did a whole nother video kind of diving into it a little deeper with those items. So if that is something you're interested in, definitely go check that out. Make sure you check out our trip announcement video. And I think that's it. I'm already getting out of breath. Whew. Yep, here's the baby. So, all right, let's just go ahead and dive in. Starting with the most important items, leggings and a pair of PJ shorts, a couple of t-shirts, just stuff that I can be really comfortable in coming back from the parks, being in the rooms. I just think it's going to be really important for me to be super comfortable on this trip, especially being 22 weeks pregnant. The next couple of items I'm bringing is a swimsuit. This is the first trip where we are planning on spending any time at the pool. So I'm only going to bring this one because we may go just a couple of times. And then of course my rain jacket. Then I'm bringing several dresses. I have this one for our anniversary night out. And then I think I wore this dress on our last anniversary we celebrated at Disney. But I love it because it's super flowy and I can wear it pregnant. The next couple of items are just these t-shirt dresses. So I'll probably wear this gray one as a cover up over my swimsuit as well. And then just even around the parks and stuff, I mean, I think that's going to be probably the most comfortable thing for me to wear. And then typically I try to map out day-by-day outfits, but because we're gonna be there 7 days, I'm just bringing like a ton of t-shirts and tank tops, like probably way more than I'll actually wear, but I'd rather have more than I need than not enough. And I'll probably end up rewashing a couple of my favorites and we'll just see how I feel. But that way I'm not locked into outfits for every day. I kind of have the freedom and flexibility to just wear whatever I want that day because, again, the goal of this trip is comfort. The next couple of items are the ears I'm packing. I'm bringing these rose gold ones and the purple ones, and then this hat that Andy actually got custom made for us. So I'm bringing all three of those. So next are the sandals that I'm bringing. These are just ones that I'm gonna wear around the resort, down to the pool. And then these are the ones that I got specifically for this trip. I talked about these in my baby moon packing video. These are the Skechers Goga Max, I think that's what they're called. And they're adjustable and they're super, super comfortable. So I'll switch between these and my tennis shoes, but super excited for these. The next items are my shorts. Again, I talked about these in my baby moon packing video. These have the panel that goes over your belly, which will be super comfortable. And then I'm bringing this other pair that is just a regular pair pre-pregnancy shorts, and I'm thinking I can still squeeze into them maybe. I might be like trying to overachieve, but I can always do the rubber band trick where I tie the rubber band around the button of the pants. So we'll do that trick if for some reason I just can't fit into them still, but I'm hopeful. We'll see. I have these, so these will be the go-to. These will be the if it happens, if it works. Next are the hair tools I'm bringing. I always bring my own hair dryer. I just like mine better. It's just better quality than what is provided in the resorts. And then I think I'm just gonna bring my straightener this trip. I always bring a curling iron as well, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna be so low maintenance on this trip this year. So I don't know. We'll see, but that's what I have right now. Next is my toiletry bag. I've mentioned this in all of my other packing videos, so I won't go into a ton of detail about everything that's in here, but basically skincare, shampoo, all my hair products, lotion, sunscreen, all that stuff. So that's all in there. Next is my hard shell makeup case that I have, again, talked a ton about, that I love, from Amazon. It is seriously amazing. All of these can come out and it's all adjustable. So you can customize it to however you like your layout to be, whatever works for you, which I love. The only thing that's different about this trip is I have another color of my favorite Lancome L'Absolu lip lacquer. So I have all three of these shades now, and that's the only lip products that I'm bringing. The other thing that I'm adding in here is a couple of hair ties. I like these because it's super comfy. It doesn't give you a headache like these do, but you know, nail clippers, tweezers, I just kind of threw all that in there. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm bringing on this trip, well, come on. This is the Tartelette in Bloom palette. Let me see if I can open it. This is seriously going to be perfect for this trip. All neutral shades. It has a couple cool tones, mostly warm tones, but I feel like I can kind of do any look I want with this palette. And I think this is all that I'm going to need eyeshadow wise for this trip. So that is going in here. That is what I'm bringing for my makeup. And of course, all of this will be linked below. I usually have another little separate, what's it called? Zippy container thing for my brushes, but I can't find it. So that's why you don't see any makeup brushes yet, but I promise they're coming. I just can't find the container that they go in. So moving on, I always sleep with this little fan when we travel, just in case the room just can't get cold enough. Especially being pregnant, I'm just hot all the time. So, and it doubles as a sound machine. So I can't go anywhere without my little mini fan now. I'm hooked. The next thing is this travel wedge pillow. So this was another item that I got specifically for this trip, being pregnant. I really need something to support my hips at night, and this is going to do the trick. So I could even put it under my bump. I can put it behind my back, kind of whatever the need is, this pillow will work. So anyway, I think this is going to be super helpful in helping me sleep at night. And the next pregnancy item is my prenatal vitamins. I have them all separated out for the week already, so that way I don't even have to think about it. Next is my camera bag. Y'all, I'm not going to forget my camera this trip. So again, I always show you guys what I bring, but all of my chargers and handheld devices and converters and everything is in here. So I also have my portable charger. It's actually charging right now, so that's why it's not in the case, but that's going to go in here as well. So all of my electronic items will stay in this bag. Next are all of my magic bands, and you guys know that I always bring all of my bands with us because you never know what's going to match the outfit that day. So that all goes in there. And then next is medicine. So Tums, Excedrin, Tylenol, anything that we may need for back in the room. I love just having this on hand at all times. So all of this is going to go in my carry-on bag right here. So I've taken this on a couple trips now, but I had to upgrade the size of my bag because the smaller black one that I was using before just wasn't cutting it size-wise, and this is so much better. It has a divider, more zipper compartments on the inside and on the outside. I got this from Target. This works way better for me, so I love it. So all of that magic bands and our medicine is going in here. I'm gonna put all of my electronics in here as well, my wallet, a couple snacks, what else? Lip gloss, I don't know. I'm sure I'll come up with more stuff to put in here, but all of that is going in here. So I think I'm ready to go ahead and pack it all up. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed if you are not already, so that way you don't miss these vlogs coming from this trip. We have so much planned. I mean, so much planned. We're so excited. So thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.